All couples, whether they are young or have been together for years, go through periods of doubt, routine, or distance. These moments may seem inevitable, but they don't mean the end of your relationship. Most of the time, it's simply the lack of communication that weakens the bond. Fortunately, it is possible to turn things around by taking simple and concrete steps. That's the purpose of this video series, 20 Days to Repair Your Relationship. A program with 3 videos where you will discover 20 actions each time designed to rekindle your connection and regain lost intimacy. The topic of this first video is communication and emotional connection. No need to change everything all at once. Follow and test each action day by day with consistency and commitment. Share them with your partner. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Let's get started. Day 1. Encourage sincere and regular conversations to resolve misunderstandings before they become problems. Communication is essential to prevent conflicts and nurture a healthy relationship. Day 2. Practice active listening. Be attentive to what your partner says without judgment or interruption. Day 3. Create a judgment-free communication space. Listen to each other without trying to impose your point of view. A space where each person can express themselves without fear fosters trust and mutual listening. Day 4. Communicate without accusing. Avoid starting sentences with "you never" or "you always." These phrases trigger an immediate defensive reaction, while expressing your feelings invites dialogue. Day 5. Learn to forgive. Don't let grudges build up. Know how to forgive and move forward. Forgiveness frees the relationship from unnecessary tensions and creates a more peaceful environment. Day 6. Use I instead of you in conflicts. Talk about your personal feelings like, "I feel frustrated," rather than accusing like, "you always do that." This approach avoids defensiveness and encourages constructive dialogue. Day 7. Respect each other. Respecting each other's opinions, needs, and personal spaces is fundamental. Respect is the foundation of a healthy relationship where each individual can be themselves. Day 8. Manage differences with respect. Differences in opinions or behaviors are natural. Learn to accept them. Respecting differences helps maintain a balanced relationship. Day 9. Don't let small disagreements turn into conflicts. Resolve disagreements quickly to prevent them from escalating. Managing small disputes before they grow bigger helps preserve peace in the relationship. Day 10. Maintain a partnership mindset. Adopt a "we against the problem" mindset rather than "me against you." This fosters collaboration and mutual support in the relationship. Day 11. Accept difficult periods. Acknowledge that there will be ups and downs in the relationship and accept them. Knowing how to accept difficult periods without dramatizing them strengthens the couple's resilience. Day 12. Nurture emotional intimacy. Be vulnerable and share your deepest thoughts and feelings. Emotional intimacy strengthens trust and connection in a relationship. Day 13. Stop rushing to judgment. Before judging, give your partner a chance to explain. This prevents misunderstandings and helps you truly understand the other person's point of view. Day 14. Avoid postponing important conversations. Don't leave serious discussions for later. Address them as soon as they are needed. Postponing important discussions creates unresolved tensions that can build up over time. Day 15. Learn to manage conflicts constructively. Avoid yelling or saying hurtful things. Try to find solutions together. The way conflicts are resolved impacts the long-term quality of the relationship. Day 16. Resolve conflicts when calm. Wait for a moment of calm before discussing problems to avoid heated arguments. Resolving conflicts rationally prevents emotions from taking over. Day 17. Be attentive to your partner's needs. Learn to recognize your partner's emotional or physical needs. Being attentive to your partner's needs demonstrates your desire to maintain a fulfilling relationship. Day 18. Give space when necessary. Respect the moments when your partner needs to be alone. Personal space is essential to avoid suffocation and strengthen the relationship. Day 19. Respect each other's rhythms. Each person has their own pace, so respect theirs, especially during stressful times. Respecting each other's rhythms is essential to avoid unnecessary tension. Day 20. Cultivate a supportive environment. Be mutually supportive in all aspects of your life. A mutually supportive environment creates a solid foundation for a lasting relationship. We've now reached the end of the first step in our program, 20 Days to Repair Your Couple. Today, we explored the importance of communication and emotional connection, two essential pillars for building a strong relationship. You discovered simple yet powerful tips to encourage sincere exchanges, strengthen mutual listening, and create a space where both of you can express yourselves freely. But now it's your turn to take action. You have to apply these tips. Perhaps you've already noticed small changes in your relationship. If so, share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. If you feel that these first steps have planted positive seeds, then you're ready for the next stage. In the next video, we'll dive into another crucial aspect: quality moments and complicity. We'll explore how to reignite the magic and create unforgettable memories with your partner. So stay connected and keep putting these tips into practice. Every small effort counts, and each day is a new opportunity to strengthen your bond. See you very soon for the next video. For your information regarding relationship issues, I have published 2 very comprehensive books that ask the right questions on the subject. They will also provide you with sound advice to help you make the most of your current or future relationship. You can easily find them on Amazon by searching either by title or by my author name, Paluax.